Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back. So now you can see that is the data that I have actually added. Okay, you can see these are right here, and the author name is also here simultaneously. So what we can do, we can just come up here and we can work with this. Like we have to bring it in a column wise. So what we can do, you just have to come up here, and before this div and before this PHP, where this is actually running, we have to create a div. Okay, and we have to close this div right after, right before the div that is here. Okay, we just have to close it here. So this is probably the whatever that is being looping, and it is right here. Before this, we have a div, and we say class is equals to card dash column. Okay, this is the official class that is there in the Bootstrap. If you just go to the Bootstrap card, and then you can see that they have the card column property. Okay, so you can just show your cards in a column. And now if you just come up here and you just refresh, you will see that all your cards will be there. It's not coming. Let's just see, what is the thing that I have done? Card columns, I think it's just like we have to add the S here. Okay, let's add the S. Let's come up here and let's refresh. And I can see that these are right now in the columns. And you can see this is how my images are working and everything is looking like perfectly. Okay, same like this, if you actually want the images to be like, the images should be having the same width and same size. Okay, you can do that as well. How we're going to do that, you can just come up here and you can say that width should be this and this and this, and then you can definitely work with it. Same like this, if you actually want to make sure that the title should be like cutted, you can definitely do that by just using this substrate functionality that I showed you. Okay, but I would not recommend you to use the substrate method here because you should not be removing the title from the user. Okay, the user should be able to see the title very easily. Okay, so you can see that these are the posts that are coming up here, and these are coming up perfectly. But you can see that the post that was added the first is actually coming up here, but the post that is the newest is actually in the last, which I don't want. Okay, I want the latest post to be on the top. Okay, so how can we do that? We just have to use in the SQL statement, we just have to use the SQL, and we have to say that whether it's ascending or it's descending. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to order this SQL by something. Okay, you can see that if I just go to the post right now, okay, go to the post, you can see all the posts will be coming up here. So this post, you can see this says post ID. So I need to order my post with the post ID. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be writing here order by. Okay, and here I'm going to write post ID, post underscore ID, and I want it to be like just like descending. So the created one is going to be in the first. So I have to write here DESC. Okay, let's just come up here, let's save it, and let's come up here and let's refresh. And you can see that the descending order is coming right here, and the post that was actually the first post is now in the last here. So we definitely have to do this because we need the latest news to be here, and we need to make sure that the latest news is actually here and the user can read this. So now we are totally done with this. In the next video, we will probably be working up with the admin. Okay, if I just go to admin posts, okay, you can see that here should be all the posts down below, and all the posts should be here, so the person can either edit a post, he can also delete a post. Okay, so we have to show all the posts here. So in the next video, we will be working up with it. Stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.